sister is very annoyed because she just paid the US rate or the foreigner rate or tourist rate to come into Duns River Falls. I paid $1,000 with my Jamaican passport and she paid 3,000 and something. Wow, she's so mad. We had an expired passport and they said no, they would not accept it. So if your question is, will they accept an expired passport? Apparently not. It can't be expired. I did use my expired passport somewhere else though, but I guess not everywhere will accept it, so do not rely on it. Renew your Jamaican passport. I tell her all the time. Apparently I didn't tell my sister, sorry. I look on her face. She's very mad. Okay, let's go in, guys. The day is not getting any younger. Okay, let's take this shiny new passport for a spin. See if I can get a discount from these guys.